Okay, so we've been doing a little bit of work on the K100 over the last couple of days, namely in regards to the stand, but also putting a few finishing touches on it, getting it ready to put over the pits. The stand's not complete yet, but it's holding the bike up, which is very good. So what we're going to do today is go for a bit of a cruise on the Vulcan. Got a lunch spot picked out, kind of come up with a little route. Wouldn't mind trying a few twisty roads, hopefully. And lunch today is fairly special, I guess. It got released yesterday via Facebook poll. WA's best. So, WA's best what? Stay tuned to find out. Let's go. So finally a little bit of sunny skies today here in Perth. It's been miserable all week, raining. Last night rained pretty much all night. So I was pretty happy when I seen the weather app say that it wasn't meant to be raining today. A few clouds around, but all in all, fairly decent day. So I thought, especially after reading yesterday's poll via Facebook about the place that we're going to head to for lunch, hopefully it's not too busy in light of that. Running the new Mic 2 setup from DJI with the Osmo 4, so the wireless configuration. Have had a little bit of a play with it, but this is kind of my first vlog with it in this configuration, so hopefully we can get the gain right and you can hear me without too much distortion. But I guess the good thing about this setup is that it has this little backup file. I can't remember what it's called now, but it allows you to adjust it in post, I believe. But all in all, I was fairly impressed with this when I took it out for a little test previously. I was able to even take the mic out of my helmet. I'll show you a little clip. Put it in my pocket and there was not too much wind noise. So yeah, hopefully this vlog turns out alright with the noise, with the sound. Time will tell. Hopefully I can remember where I'm going, because I'm not running the quad lock on my phone, quad lock case, so I'm going mapless. I'll probably get lost. But it's 11:30 in the morning here in Perth, so the route via Google Maps that I selected said it'd take about 43 minutes, so 3/4 of an hour. Should get us there a bit after 12, hopefully, depending on how lost we get. And yeah, perfect time for lunch. We'll stop up here because I downloaded a few apps specific for, here we go, for motorcycle route planning, and I want to see, it has like a track my ride feature, so I'll just get that up now, start that off. There it is. So I think this is the Australian one. The other ones were heavily based on America. Start ride. It's tracking my ride. We'll see how it goes when we get back. See if it's any good. They are subscription based. I think the idea behind them is to be able to select where you want to go, and you can select if you want to do highway riding, if you want to do twisties, not so twisty. But I noticed that when I put my destination in for this trip, pretty much just took me straight there without going any special route, so yeah. Definitely good to be out on the bike again. It's It's been too long. Weather's been horrible, so it's been hard to get out, hard to pick those sunny gaps. Bit of pasta. Pasta makes you faster. I wouldn't go as far as to say that this ride is a twisties ride. It's just that it's different to our normal vlog, which is mainly suburbia, city riding, whereas this is more country riding. Shoeless. They got no shoes. I got shoes. Bang, bang. Really fancy getting wet. I think it's actually starting to rain. It is starting to rain. Second trike we've seen out today. Shetland pony. I don't know, are all ponies Shetland ponies? Like, I probably just made that up. Maybe it is a Shetland pony, maybe it's not a Shetland pony and there's other different types of ponies. I don't know. Perth. I don't know if you can see that. Probably can't. But Perth straight ahead. Perth City, anyway, Perth CBD. Could feel raindrops again. God damn it. Right, let's go see what this thing's made of. I bet you there's a few people here with chicken in pyjamas. Let's go see. This thing is massive, the size of my helmet, but delicious. There's a reason this was recently voted Western Australia's #1 palmy. Not a palmer, not a palmo, palmy. It's because it's delicious.